Are you learning anything yet? I hope you are. You know, I don't think I've shown you anything you shouldn't be able to figure out on your own. Okay, I got my caps here, and now I'm gonna put them on here. And on this one, I'm on the outside, on the back, and I'm kind of pushing it down. Now I should be able to hit it kind of at an angle, and it should snap on. Let's see if I can get it. Boy. There. See? Just like that. It's all snapped on there, nice and tight. And that's why you don't want to put it straight on, because you'll be hitting it until your hand is sore. Okay? Let's see if I can do this one. My battery's low here, so, you know. Okay, I've got it pushed on the back, and now it snaps right on. There, done with that. Okay, almost done with this. Okay, I've got to put this pipe back on, and I can reach under there and look at it, re-thread it. You want to get it on there straight, and I try to get it tight by hand first. Okay, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Got it as tight as I can get it, and I take my pliers, and these are adjustable pliers. See how I can only get it so tight because it's a slip. I do that, and now I can get it even tighter. I think I need them like that. Now I get under here, and I give it a quarter turn. I know you can't really see this part. I don't do it very much. Okay. That's it. Now I can turn that on and fill the toilet back up. There she blows.